How to download and install Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this search icon. Simply tap on this search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Snake Rivals. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Here, hit on install. So the installation process has just begun. So what is this game about? Basically, this is a Snake game. So this is the modern version of Snake game. Here you can accumulate different points and make the snake bigger. At last, you can eliminate others and be on the top. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.